Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the cardinal features attached to the Parkinson's disease. Before moving on to the main topic, let's first understand what is Parkinson's disease. Parkinson's disease is a progressive disorder of CNS with both motor and non-motor symptoms. Main cardinal features associated with this particular disease are rigidity, bradykinesia, tremor, postural instability, and gait abnormalities. Let's understand each and every feature. First and foremost, we will begin with rigidity. Rigidity, increased resistance to passive movement regardless of movement velocity, felt uniformly in both agonist and antagonist. There are two types of rigidity: cogwheel rigidity and lead pipe rigidity. Cogwheel rigidity, jerky, ratchet-like resistance to passive movement as muscle alternatively contract and relax. Lead pipe rigidity, sustained resistance to passive movement in all directions with no fluctuations. In this particular patient, it is clearly observed that the range of motion of cervical spine has been declined due to presence of rigidity in the cervical muscles. In rigidity, phantom pillow sign can be observed. To observe this sign, the patient is asked to lay in supine position and pillow under the head is removed. After the removal, it can be observed that the neck stays in the same position as it is seen in the patient. Secondly, we will discuss bradykinesia. Bradykinesia means slowness of movement. Akinesia, poverty of spontaneous movement. Example, hypomimia, mask-like face. In case of hypomimia, the patient is asked to perform various facial movements. Due to the presence of hypomimia, the patient is unable to produce normal facial movements. Thirdly, we will discuss tremor. Shaking or oscillating movement of part or parts of body resulting from contraction of opposing muscles. There are three types of tremor. First, postural tremor. It can be seen when muscles are used to maintain an upright posture against gravity. Second, resting tremor. It is present at rest, suppressed briefly by voluntary movement and disappears with sleep. Third, action tremor. It is continuous with movement and it can occur in patients with advanced Parkinson's disease. In this patient, it is clearly observed that the patient has a resting tremor as even while sitting ideally, hand is oscillating continually at a fast speed. Frequency of resting tremor 3 per second. Now we will discuss postural instability, ability to achieve, regain and maintain balance during posture and balance are all components of postural control, and these are impaired in patient with Parkinson's disease. In this image, comparison of posture of Parkinson patient is done with a normal person, and it can be identified in both lateral view that the patient of Parkinson has a kyphotic posture and forward head. Now, gait abnormalities. First, fascinating gait. Fascinating gait pattern is characterized by a progressive increase in speed with a shortening of stride. Second, freezing gait, an episodic inability to generate effective stepping. In this particular video, it is clear that the patient gets freezed during normal gait when comes across a hurdle. In this video, it can be noticed that while walking in a straight line, the patient regains the normal speed as compared to when she is turning around the cone. Stride length, strap length are reduced, double limb support time is increased, hip and knee flexion reduced during swing phase, and heel-toe pattern during stance phase is absent. Thank you for watching.